sion. Whenever you find sion at the end as a suffix, that is having two sounds. One is zhun and another one is shun. Okay, so in today's video we will know the rules where we are going to pronounce zhun and where we are going to pronounce shun. Okay, so here in these words you can see sion at the end, but when we are going to pronounce, so collision, division, explosion, decision, revision, occasion. Okay, what you found in the last sound? You can found that there is a z sound and the o is having short u sound. Okay, so whenever there is I or o or a vowel, whenever there is a vowel, after that you can see sion, then sion having z sound. Okay, so in these words, compulsion, expulsion, propulsion, tension. So in these words you can see l, okay, l and n before sion. So whenever you see l and n before sion, that sound says s, s. Okay, that is not z, that is s. Okay, so compulsion, expulsion, propulsion, tension. Diversion, immersion, version, conversion. Why? Because after a r ending, they are having the sound of zhn. Okay, that's why diversion, immersion, version, conversion.